The Little Library, the home of cast-off books. There is a small cinder-block building at the dump, just a stone's throw away from the bags of trash, the discarded TVs and piles of recycling metal. At first glance, it doesn't look like much. I call it the Little Library because it's the home of the cast-off books. Inside, you will surprised to find books, lots and lots of second-hand books, mysteries and memoirs, cookbooks and children's stories, history books, romances and novels with dog-eared pages that have once been perused and maybe even once treasured. This is where the lucky books end up when their first life is over. You could call it a retirement home, or perhaps a halfway house. It's a place where these books are given another chance.
How long have you been donating?
Oh, gee, years. These are magazines, the recent magazines, National Geographic and The Atlantic. So this is The Atlantic magazine. Yeah, they're all recent, and this is the National Geographic. And actually, I read them online, so they haven't even been opened.
Some of them arrive here because there's no more room for them. Some end up here because someone is moving away from home, or maybe because of a divorce. Who knows?
This is nothing. This is just my first trip.
Whatever the reason, they all end up here at the Wakefield dump, waiting for someone to give them a second or maybe even a third chance.
It's a great place to exchange books that you no longer need or want. I've done a major clean out of my house this past weekend, and I brought probably 4 milk cart crates full of books that hopefully somebody else is going to get some joy out of.
They're not really discarded. Think of them as just between readers. These books still have their stories to tell again. So their owners drop them off here, on their way with their trash bags. And every now and then, someone wanders in, prowls among the shelves, and discovers a treasure. A mystery they've always wanted to read, or cookbook their grandma once owned. Maybe a novel they had forgotten that they had loved and lost. And just like that, a book begins its second life, or even a third. Not bad for this little library, the town dump, because here, among all the things people no longer need, stories are given one more chance. And sometimes that's all they ever needed, another chance.